Does workers' compensation cover only sudden accidents or other long-term problems and illnesses as well?
Attorney Lisa J. Pezzano explains,
In New Jersey, work-related medical conditions which develop over an extended period of time are referred to as occupational exposure claims. Examples of occupational claims include carpal tunnel syndrome caused by repetitive typing, pulmonary disability of a firearm stemming from smoke inhalation over the years, hearing loss from being exposed to constant loud noise over an extended period of time, back injuries from years of heavy lifting, or shoulder impingement brought on by the repetitive use of tools. Any activity which requires the use of the same muscles or systems repeatedly has the danger of causing an occupational injury. Occupational claims are notoriously more difficult to litigate than specific accident claims because the court must compare what activities the person does in their daily life to their occupational efforts, since it is inherently challenging to pinpoint when a degenerative type injury began. It is more difficult to prove such claims. Therefore, you need an experienced workers' compensation attorney right by your side throughout the legal course of action.
Lisa J. Pezzano will handle your case personally from start to finish to ensure that there are no loose ends. She will explain the law in a straightforward manner so that you understand your rights completely.